K-Friends Make Korean Friend app. The K-Friend app is an application where you can make friends all over the world. First, you need to install the application from your Play Store. And no, this is not a dating app, but it's an app that is very good for extroverted people who can communicate easily with everyone. This app also has a translating option. So just simply go and create an account and make sure that you have turned on the location. Go with permissions and then turn on the location permission. Go back to the application and now you'll be able to use the application. Just set up some basic information, select your language, just enter your date of birth, your name and everything. In my case, I've used Google as my sign up option. So in Google, or if you've selected Google, then it will automatically enter all of your information which is in your Google, and you don't need to enter your basic information. So K-Friends is a social networking app especially designed for global users to connect with Korean locals and people interested in Korean culture. As of early 2026, it is positioned as a friend finding and language exchange platform rather than a dating app. It has automatic translation, interest-based matching, voice messaging, and currency system. Users like it because it has easy connection and cultural exchange. It has a strong focus on sharing daily life and Korean culture, not just dating. It has safety, which includes reporting or blocking features, fostering a respectable environment. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.